Now we are going to see exercise 8.2. The first problem is the standard deviation and mean of your data are 6.5 and 12.5 respectively. Find the coefficient of variation. So now standard deviation. Standard deviation is, this is the symbol. So standard deviation is what? 6.5. Now next one is mean. Mean of your data is how much? 12.5. So now we need to find the coefficient of variation. So coefficient of variation, what is the formula? Standard deviation by mean of the data into 100 percentage. Standard deviation is how much? 6.5 by 12.5 into 100 percentage. Now we need to multiply with 10 here. So we are multiplying with 10. 6.5 into 10, 65. 12.5 into 10, 125. So 13 5s are 65. 25 5s are 125. So now how much it will come? 13 divided by 25 is how much? We can't able to divide with 13 divided by 25. So 0. 13 minus 0 is 130. 13 minus 0 is 13. So 0 we are putting here. So we need to put decimal here. 5 25s are 125. 502. So 0.52 into 100. So now we are multiplying 52 percentage. This is the answer for the coefficient of variation. Now next one is the standard deviation and coefficient of variation of a data are 1.2 and 25.6 respectively. So find the mean. So now standard deviation is, what is the value? Standard deviation equal to 1.2. Now coefficient of variation. What do you mean by about coefficient of variation? Coefficient of variation is 25.6. So the formula is coefficient of variation equal to standard deviation by mean of the data into 100 percentage. Coefficient of variation is how much? 25.6. Standard deviation is 1.2. Mean of the data into 100. Mean of the data is, we need to find the value of the mean. So now what we need to do? We need to do with this one. 25.6 into x bar equal to 1.2 into 100. So while we are multiplying this, 1 2 0 0, 1 decimal point, so 0 it will be cut. 25.6 x bar. So now x bar equal to 120 divided by 25.6. Now while we are multiplying with 10, 120 into 10 is 1200. 25.6 into 10 is 256. So now what the thing? How we need to divide the value. So 1200 divided by 256. How much? For example, 4 into 250 is how much? 4 into 250 is 1000. So 4 into 6, 24. Balance 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Balance 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So now remaining is how much? 10 minus 4, 6. This one is 7. 176. Now we need to put decimal point because we can't able to divide with this number. So 0. Now how much it will come? We can put 6. So 6 into 6, 36. Balance 3. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3. So x bar equal to 4.6 is the value. This is the mean value which we have found out. Now next thing is what we are going to do. We need to find if the mean and the coefficient of variation of the data are 15 and 48 respectively. Then find the value of the standard deviation. Now mean equal to what? X bar equal to 15 and coefficient of variation is 48. So coefficient of variation equal to how much? 48. So the formula is standard deviation by mean into 100. So 48 equal to, we need to find the value of the standard deviation. So standard deviation is simply x bar is how much? 15 into 100. So now what we are going to do? 48 into 15 by 100 equal to standard deviation. 3 5s are 15, 20 5s are 100, 10 2s are 20, 24 2s are 48, 5 2s are 10, 12 2s are 24. So standard deviation equal to 12 into 3, 36 by 5. So 36 by 5 is how much? We need to divide and see. 7 5s are 35. Balance 6 minus 5, 1. Now we can't able to divide 1 we divided by 5. So what we need to do? We need to put 0 here decimal. 2 5s are 10. So standard deviation is 7.2. This is the answer. Now next one is what they have given. N equal to 5. X bar equal to 6. Sigma x square equal to 765. Then calculate the coefficient of variation. So now standard deviation equal to, what is the formula? Square root sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square equal to sigma xi is what? 765. 765 by divided by how much? N equal to 5 minus, this is the mean value, so 6 whole square. Now the standard deviation is what? This is the standard deviation value. So now 765 by 5 minus 36 equal to 765 minus 36 into 5 is how much? 180 divided by 5. So 765 minus 180 is how much? 5 minus 0, 5. 60, 6 if you cut 16. 16 minus 8, 8. The next one is how much? So it will come as 5 by 5. So now how much it will come? 5 divided by 5, 1. 8 divided by 5, 1. Balance 3, 7. So while we are taking square root for this 117, how much it will come? We will check and verify it. 3 3s are, or else how much? 10 10s are. 10 into 10, 100 minus 1 7. 10 plus 10, 20. Now point 0 0 we can put it because here 0. So now 8. We can put 8. 8. 8 into 8, 64. Balance 6. 8 into 0, 0. 6. 8 2s are 16. So 10.8 is the value of the standard deviation. Now we need to find the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is standard deviation by mean into 100. Standard deviation is 10.8 by x bar. Mean value is what? Mean value is 6 into 100. 3 2s are 6. This one is 50. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. So while we are multiplying it, how? 0 we can put it. 6 into 5, 30. Balance 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 18. So 180% is the value. So that's all.